Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:20 p.m. January 12th, 2021, Tuesday. Flat day on the markets. More EV action, more SPAC action, news all over the place about certain things, but it was BLNK for me. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. And we will continue. Hope you're all well, trading well, making good decisions with your trades, finding good setups, and all that good stuff. It was BLNK early for me, and it pretty much set my day, set the tone. And I did see some other setups throughout the day, and I kind of avoided them. I don't know why. I kind of did. Although I did try to take some setups, I ended up missing out on a bunch of really good ones that, for the most part, worked out in my favor, and I would have been far up from where I ended today. We'll go into that in a second here. Let's just start with BLNK. These are 2-minute candles. You can see here it opened up, touched the 54 here. I'm sorry, the 55 here. Created this candle here, flushed down. As it was coming back up, the tape was really angry, and I jumped in at 54.64, and I ran this thing up, and I got sales off at 57, like 50, and actually it went up to highs here at 58, I believe somewhere. No, 57.85. I had 500 shares. I actually made $500 on this trade. Real nice, just a solid way to start the day. I was just selling shares at 25, 50 at a time, all the way up. Looking for the bigger move. This pullback here was really nice because I thought it was going to just come down here into the touch the 8, and it did, and then it made its next move up. So really solid BLNK trade. These were all getting noticed in the morning. Things that are happening right now are plug. Closed at 66. It's now at 68.58. Really running hard. I tried getting in at 64 here on this move. You can see here it touched 64.11. I tried getting here at 64. It went up to 64.41, and it just kind of didn't let me in. Just jumped me. Went from 64 to 64.18 in a heartbeat, and just jumped me, and then just keep climbing. I tried getting at a 65 entry here, and he jumped me there. Plug's a tough trader, it really is. It kind of just skips around. The market makers or algos or whoever are really out to move this thing for a $66 stock. If you go to 24-hour, you can see this nice move in after hours. I mean, we closed at 66.07, and it pretty much is ripping right now. It's probably going to get to 70. And then FCell, which is another one, is also ripping because they're in the same space. It's all about that energy and battery and hydrogen and all that good stuff. NKLA came out with some kind of news in the after hours, but kind of just flopped, I think. I ran up to 1920, and now it's back to where it closed, so who cares about NKLA? BLNK, not really that important anymore in the after hours, but these guys are just running. Another one I was watching was FUBO. FUBO has been getting decimated since its all-time highs up here, and I had a nice squeeze day today. Tried to get in several times, and every time you could have, you pretty much, it worked. I mean, this trade here at 33, and then you take the secondary move here to 33 and got like 45 cents. Then you can take the 33.50 here, and boom, you're off to the races. So there were some trade setups in all of these things today, and the one that caught my attention the most outside the EV space was Baidu. I've talked about Baidu obviously in several different videos, and you know, this move here, the red to green or opening candle, opening price move, you know, you're talking an area of 227, which is the area I did last week. Right in the middle is a middle bar, inside bar. Maybe not the best time to be trading this thing, but when you have one up, one down, and this thing is now coming back up, it's showing that it wants to continue back up to new highs. I kind of liked it instead of, you know, there's several entries. Like you could take the break at this bar, you could take several different things. Of course, hindsight, this is probably the toughest area, but that's around lunchtime. But I tried getting in at, what was it, this break here of 242 right here, 242 right, shoot, it was this candle. I got in the 242, went up to 243, pulled back to 241 like 80, and I bounced out, and of course look what it does, it goes up to 244. I did that last time too. Goes up a buck, pulls back a buck 20, you get out, finds a base, and continues up. So that's twice I've seen that. It seems to be happening a lot. So between Baidu and Plug, two big misses today. Tesla actually bounced back pretty hard, but actually is coming off its highs. It was at like 845 or so. Just, flat market. Dow like 60, NASDAQ 36, and SPX only pretty much flat as it can get. I ended up with 546. Pretty much that one trade on BLNK did most of my work and heavy lifting. I got another couple winners on like FCell, minor. Took some minor losses in ACTC, and then I got a nice one back on that one. Just got kind of algo played on that one a little early. Did it around 2 o'clock. Probably should have waited a little longer, because if you look at ACTC, which is pretty much one of the strongest stocks today, up 95%. You can see here, where is it, through 23? Right here, I kind of jumped in early on these two candles and got flushed down. And then this one worked through 23, pulled back actually to a low of 22.52. So it was a little tough. It wasn't really easy around 2 o'clock, but at 3 o'clock, it stepped up. So once you took the 3 o'clock break, good night, it just took off. So that's the time to be trading this stock, like a heavy lifter. Something that's trading 58 million. The algos come alive at 3 and get involved. Okay. So that's how I see it today. Closing up with 546 for a Tuesday. Pretty good day. Back to not all-time highs, but I'm back to good numbers on the account, and I'm looking forward to more trading the rest of the week. We have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Stay tuned. I do have a potential strategy being developed for me to trade a different style of trading. I'll let you know about that as we move forward. Let me know if you guys have done any strategy trading, live automation type of thing. It'd be interesting to hear what your results are like. And, this is a very selective strategy. Well, the strategy is pretty self-explanatory, but the stocks you select is very important. It doesn't just work on any particular stock. I mean, it could, but that's not the goal. The goal is to find something that's going to work. Anyway, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video, and I will be back tomorrow. Have a good one.